Welcome to yet another video of Maths Made Simple with Ms. Gamo. Today we're gonna focus on multiplying and dividing integers. This is just building upon our previous video of adding and subtracting integers. And with the similar to adding and subtracting integers, multiplying and dividing integers also comes with a set of rules that you need to adhere to and need to understand so that you're successful in this topic. Alright, let's jump into the rules. We've got only 4 basic rules, but they will really be amazing. Okay, so the thing is, whenever you're dealing with multiplying and dividing integers, we have to know these 4 rules. The first rule being a positive multiplied or divided by a positive, the answer will give you a positive. The second one is a positive multiplied or divided by a negative, the answer will be a negative. The third one, a negative multiplied or divided by a negative will give you a positive. Then the last one, a negative multiplied or divided by a positive will give you a negative. You know, some love to say in a small little song like a positive equals positive, positive negative negative, negative negative positive, negative positive negative. You know, just do whatever you do. If I were you, if you're clever right now, pause the video, write these down because these are important. Memorize them, take them into your brain because they will help you a lot, especially when you move on to things like expressions, algebra, equations. You'll need to know your integers and how to multiply and divide them. All right, let's jump into the first example. So the first step, whenever you're dealing with this, look at the rules first. Look at the signs. What do the signs say? And what answer will I get when I manipulate the certain signs that I'm given? So in this question, it is 4 times negative 9. All right, let's look at the signs. Remember, the sign of a number is on the left side of it. So the 4, the sign is a positive. When there's nothing, it's a positive. And the 9, the sign is a negative. So we go to our rules. A positive and a negative is what? Okay, let's look. It's rule number 2. A positive and a negative will give us a negative. So off the bat, we know that the answer of this sum will be a negative. So now the next step is just to do it normally. What's 4 times 9? We know that's 36. So our answer is negative 36. All right, cool. Let's move on. The next one is saying negative 45 divided by 5. What are the signs? That's the first step. The sign for this 45 is a negative. The sign of this 5 is a positive. Negative and a positive. Let's look at our rules. Negative and positive, that's rule number 4. A negative and a positive will give us a negative. So we already know that the answer will be negative. All right, so now what's 45 divided by 5? We already know that 45 divided by 5 is 9. All right, so negative 45 divided by 5 is negative 9. All right, cool. We go to the next one. The next one says negative 27 divided by negative 3. A negative and a negative is what? Let's go to our rules. That's rule number 3. A negative and a negative will give you a positive. So off the bat, you know that this answer is a positive. As I mentioned in our previous video, you don't necessarily need to write the positive, but for the sake of learning, you can write a positive. You will not lose marks for writing the positive because positive or leaving it open, we all know it's a positive. So now you further on go to the second step, which is just doing it normally. What's 27 divided by 3? We know that it is 9. All right. So as a recap, the thing that you really need to know or master is your rules. Positive, positive, positive. Positive, negative, negative. Negative, negative, positive. Negative, positive, negative. The moment you master that, then you go to the sum normally. You'll be able to get a good answer. This is a great foundation, especially when you go to equations, when you go to algebra, when you go to expressions, where we'll be mixing the integers with letters of the alphabet. So now, when you have the basis of knowing what to do to manipulate the multiplication and division of integers, it'll be a breeze. Math is simple, math made simple. I hope you understand, and I see you in the next one. Bye.